Here's a quick shot of before. You can see how cloudy they are. You know, it's all scummed up here and here and over here on this one. You know, I don't know what the heck this is. So I've got the 1000 grit sandpaper here and some water with a little bit of soap, and the 3000 grit sandpaper in here. I'm going to get some of blue painter's tape and I'm going to tape this up, and then I'm going to get sanding. So I've got it all taped up here and dipped in the water, and let's start hand sanding. You want to keep the sandpaper wet. Once you've got it evenly sanded and everything is nice and milky, then you want to switch to the higher grit sandpaper. So now I'm going to get the 3000 grit. And again, you do the same thing with the 3000. Just go over the whole thing nice and lightly. Just be careful, you don't want to get it on any of the, you don't want to sand any of the paint. Got a little cloth here. I'm just going to wipe this clean so we can then start the polish. It's already way better. Now I've got this McGuire's polish here. I'm just going to put a little bit on the tip of my drill here, and then I'm going to be really careful not to get the paint and not to get too much of the tape, because I don't want to burn the paint off of this car. And use my terry cloth. Yeah, let's wipe all that off. Now the last thing is I have to put the protective coating on it. Just to make sure the wax is all off it, I'm going to hit it with some Windex right here and just wipe it off one more time before I put the coating on. This is the headlight coating right here, and this is the little applicator that it came with, so we will put some of this on here and then rub it into the headlight. So this is after, and this one is before. So you can see how nasty that is, and you can see how nice this is. And this McGuire's kit supposedly will last 1 year. It's really a night and day difference. You do want to, you can see I got some drips here, so you probably want to make sure and cover the car up a little bit more. This stuff should come right back off. But that headlight really looks a lot better. So now I just got to go over and do the other side. And there's the second one. Much better. You could use things like toothpaste or WD-40 if you're really in a pinch and you got to take the car to get it inspected and you want it to be clean for about a week. But that stuff really only will keep the haze and stuff off your headlights for about a week, maybe 2. If you want to actually really clean them, you've got to use some sandpaper and a buffing compound on them, which is what I did here. This says it'll last a year, but we will see. You do want to be careful when you're using the drill. You know, you don't want to get the paint, because you can get the paint off of it, and you definitely don't want that. This is an old car, but it's my daughter's car, and I don't want it. I don't want to cause any damage to it. But this definitely is not only going to help it pass safety inspection, but it's going to help her see better at night. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if this was the first time to my channel, please subscribe. Have yourself a great day.